Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to resize a video in CapCut PC. So let's get started. So if you want to resize a video in CapCut, what you have to do is first of all open up your CapCut application, and after opening up your CapCut application, now you just have to add a new project, or you can select the existing project. So I would like to add a new project, and after adding a new project, now you just have to tap on import and just select a project that you would like to edit. So for example, I'm selecting this one. You just have to select that and then tap on open, and it will open in your CapCut. Now what you can do is just hold on to it and then drag it down. And by dragging it down, you can find that video in your timeline. Now what you can do is just increase the ratio and then start editing your video. So but if you want to resize your video, what you have to do is first select your video, and after selecting your video, you can find these options. You just have to tap on videos, which is the first option, and now you can scale your video. So just scale your video. So 100% is the exact size of your screen. Above that is oversize, or under that is undersize of your screen. So 200%, 500% is the maximum zoom that you will get in CapCut. So now what you can do is just zoom a video that you would like and just select a specific frame that you would like to show in your video. So this is how you can zoom in CapCut. So this is how you can resize video in CapCut. There is another option which says uniform scale. If you turn this option off, and by turning that option off, now what you can do is you can separately change the size of your video. So you can separately change the width and height of your video. For example, if I'll drag it all the way down, here you can see my width of a video is too small, and this is the height of my video. So you can do it separately. And when this feature is useful is when you try to edit a video for a TikTok. So to upload a video in your TikTok, you just have to tap on this ratio and then select the ratio of your mobile, which is 9:16. And by tapping on 9:16, this is the ratio of your mobile. Now what you can do is just drag it down, and here you can see you can set the ratio of your mobile, and you can upload that video to the TikTok. So this is the way how you can resize your videos. And that's it guys, this is how to resize videos in CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.